from downstairs up here with literally no engine in this car. So yeah, no oil. We did have an engine, but we did not have engine oil. Sorry. We did have an engine. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, brand new day. It's Monday today, and next Thursday, so in about 3 days, we are gonna take Rowan's 144 to the RWD, and that's like the Dutch road legal service. They give like license plates and MOTs and stuff. But here this thing runs. I mean, it runs literally better than my rebuilt Amazon.
Sounds nice too.
It sounds really nice. Yeah, amazing.
The backfires too out of the exhaust.
Yeah, can you give some gas? Let's go. Let's go, guys. Again. Oh my god, this thing is awesome. I'm so jealous. I wish my Amazon does that. It might not be 100% correct, but it sounds very cool. So yeah, we're gonna take this thing for a drive, I think. So we're gonna drive around the property here, see if it brakes, if all the lights work, if the engine works, if it shifts. And when it does all those things and we don't get a flat tire on these 17-year-old tires, then I think we're good to go. And next Thursday we will take the white walls of Winston's car, or with Robin's his car. So we will take those wheels, put them on the 144, and then take this beauty to the RWD, and let's see if we can get a Dutch license plate for this thing, because that will be amazing. Let's go. So guys, we had a bit of an issue because yeah, the car in the previous video you saw, of course the horn was completely annoying, and it was completely working every time you you steered. Ah, idiot. No, but the thing that happened, of course, you have like a hub with a very tiny little pin that connects to a metal ring, which is actually the horn like ring. There's a metal ring around here, and this is the horn. And this dot over here was actually touching the inside of the hub, and that's also ground, so that made a connection every time on the right position when you steered. So yeah, I just bent that connection over and now it's fixed. So part 2, let's try it again.
Uitruiming.
Dat gastje. helemaal niet in.
Niks. Groene auto.
Not a bad test drive at all. So yes guys, yeah, long story short, brake booster is, well, we think it's the brake booster, it's broken, and we have pretty good brakes. So the brakes are for it's 49 years old, so for a 49-year-old car the brakes are pretty good, but we are still missing some braking power when we are going downhill, and I want this car to be as safe as possible, and of course it's just all about safety. You need to brake. So this car is gonna get a new brake booster very soon, and in about 4 days, I think, yes, we are gonna take this car and the blue Amazon. It's a pretty nice color palette. Green, blue, red, and white. Well, what's left of it? Oh, that's like the dumpster here. But someday it's gonna be a beautiful color. Yeah, I'm not gonna say anything about that. But yeah, hopefully in the end of this video we have a license plate on the front of that car. So. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are actually at the RWD right now. Robin is inside, I'm waiting in my car, and I've been waiting here for like half an hour or so. But it's sunny, I have a drink. So yeah, it's just waiting time. Sadly, there could only be one person with the car when they are doing like the MOT stuff and go on. So what will happen today, if the car gets approval, we will get the all the things we need for a Dutch license plate, and when we get the license plate we need to go to another yeah, department or so, or like shop, which do the official MOT stuff, and when we have the real MOT stuff we can get this car on a license plate, and then we can drive it. But Robin already said that the car is driving very well, so yeah, we'll see. Car is being weighed right now, of course, except Robin, because he's the heavy one here. So guys, Robin over there, yeah, the car has been inside, and we do have the registration, so a bit of a success, yeah. But the bad thing is we need some kind of documentation from Belgium, from the previous owner. So let's really hope that we can get that as soon as possible, and when we have that, Robin needs to come back here to show that documentation. After that, Robin can apply the car online at the RWD, and then we can get a license plate, and after that we can get it MOT'd, and after that we can drive it.
Legally.
Legally. Legally. But yeah, if you're still following it, you're amazing. But yeah, it's a pretty complicated situation right now. So let's hope the guy that has the documentation can send it to us very quickly, because I want this car out of my shop so we can go on with the 240. But yeah, for now we're going back there, and well, we'll see. But the first part is a success. So